So let's give it a push now. Now this wire becomes actually loose. This becomes tighter. Let's push it again. Now this becomes extremely loose. This wire tightens up again. We took up one of our diamond grille wires to show that even when we take out or even we deliberately cut our diamond grille wire with our heavy duty cutter, the rest of the wires itself will not be affected. You can see that there's a figure of 35 equivalent to a tension force of around 130 kilo. Then we have our invisible grille. Sadly said, it's too negligible for the tension meter to hold, that's why it's 0. Actually, you see the tip goes in, the flimsiness of the cable. So you can actually, the body will slide inwards. Honestly, my head can't be in because even if I want to, you really want to, this is really the max. The invisible grille wire plastic membrane has caught fire. Our diamond grille wire remains intact and did not caught fire. Okay, let's use my body weight to press on it and see whether it cuts through. Okay. Please do not try this at home. This is for your safety awareness for the 4-inch invisible grille. Okay, let's try the 4-inch Diamond Grille system. Try to go out. Use your mic. Are you using all your strength? No? Okay. Can it go out? No? Okay, thank you. Hi, today I'm going to introduce our Diamond Grille system against our Invisible Grille system. So we have here our sliding Diamond Grille system, casement, Diamond Grille system. And today we're going to talk about tension between the invisible grille, here, against our diamond grille. This is in fact the max I can actually pull. So you can hear the tension sound. And over here you can see the sound. You can actually pull up to 7 inch. But you can see this is a 4-inch gap. Same as our diamond grille system, 4-inch gap. So what is tension? I mean, tension is very important because that's what holding, you know, your family, your loved ones, you know. So what does it mean if you have a low tension and the wire can open up so easily? So I mean, let me personally do a demonstration for you guys what this 4-inch gap means to you know, family members. So imagine like me myself, you know, I'm not really thin. So actually I'm quite bulky. So let me see if I can fit through this invisible grille system. So once actually you see the tip goes in, the flimsiness of the cable, so you can actually the body will slide inwards. Because once you go in, the head goes in. Actually, it's just a matter of sliding machine. So imagine if it's you know, a person out there. Honestly, this is what you're going to, you know, see on that kind of feeling. So, whereas for the Diamond Grille system, I mean, I always like our end users to give it a try, come in to our showroom and feel the difference themselves. You know, that honestly my head can't fit in, because even if I want to, really want to, this is really the max. Yeah. Because of the high tension. So I hope I can you know, show you guys a difference between Diamond Grille system and Invisible Grille system. For this burning demonstration, I have a piece of our Diamond Grille wire and a piece of Invisible Grille wire. Please do not try this at home. I'll first burn the Invisible Grille wire. The Invisible Grille wire plastic membrane has caught fire. I'll now burn our Diamond Grille wire. Our Diamond Grille wire remains intact and did not catch fire. I'll now use soapy water to clean off the soot. For this cutting demonstration, I have a piece of our Diamond Grille wire and a piece of Invisible Grille wire. I'll be using all these cutters for this demonstration. First, I will try to cut the Invisible Grille wire. I'll be using these $2 scissors that I got from the neighborhood $2 shop. Let's do it. Okay. The Invisible Grille wire has been cut through. Now let's try it on our Diamond Grille wire. Okay, it remains intact. Let's use this wire cutter. Okay, it still remains intact. Finally, let's test it on a pair of this plier. Okay, let's use my body weight to press on it and see whether it cuts through. Okay. Okay, the Diamond Grille wire remains intact, and in fact, it made some teeth marks on these two cutters. For this corrosion demonstration, we have our Diamond Grille wire and a piece of Invisible Grille wire. We'll be using this acid that we got from the local hardware shop. We'll be leaving the wires in the acid for 1 day, and we'll observe the changes. Our Diamond Grille wires and the Invisible Grille wires has been dipped into acid for 1 day. So we are going to open up and see. First, for the invisible grille wire. The invisible grille wire has turned black. The plastic membrane is already melted into the acid, as you can see. Let's have a look on the diamond grille wire. The effect of the acid on the diamond grille wire. The diamond grille wire looks intact. It do have a bit of a darkening effect, but there's no rust effect compared to the invisible grille wire. Okay, today we have here our diamond grille wire and the normal invisible grille wire in our showroom. So we are going to do this tension test with our tension meter over here. So you can see here is the same height. We're going to put this into our tension test. You can see that there's a figure of 35 equivalent to a tension force of around 130 kilo. Then we have our invisible grille. Sadly said, is too negligible for the tension meter to hold. That's why it's 0. So, but we can see from this test that we have a very high tension system for the diamond grille system. Hi, today we're going to talk about the design system of our invisible grille with our diamond grille system. So the invisible grille wise, as you can see here, is actually a loop system whereby you have a long piece of invisible grille wire and loop it across. And for our diamond grille system, you see here, it's an independent system on its own. That means every wire itself is being installed individually with its own anchor bolts. So let's look at invisible grille system. As you can see here, this wire is actually quite quite tight as can be, but you still can pull it. You can see that this wire actually is very loose. So let's give it a push now. Now this wire becomes actually loose. This becomes tighter. Let's push it again. Now this becomes extremely loose. This wire tightens up again. Basically on the loop system, because the wire will give way during the loop, so actually you do not need to exert a lot of strength. You see that the wire is losing up. But as you can see from our frame here, we took up one of our diamond grille wires to show that even when we take out or even when we deliberately cut our diamond grille wire with our heavy duty cutter, the rest of the wires itself will not be affected with a high tension strength to hold your loved ones, from falling out of the building.